Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Ratchet and Clank here. Yeah, you guys voted for it. Would you like to create a Ratchet and Clank? Yes, I certainly would. I'm excited to get into this. I've been wanting to play this series for a while. I know nothing about it. I think it's like a buddy co-op, right? You're Ratchet and Clank. Like a Banjo-Kazooie type situation. That's my assumption. I think, do they have any movies made off of this? I don't even know.
Final step, attach robotic ignition system. Thank you for using help desk technology. Oh. Alright, oh, okay. Cute little guy. Welcome to the Gadgetron Help Desk. We are here to offer you advice during your interplanetary travels. The Help Desk is a free service provided by Gadgetron Corporation.
Ow! So they were friendly. Kinda, I'm assuming that's Clank, right? It's gotta be, the robot's gotta be Clank. Looks kinda cute. I don't know where he landed. I already lost track of that. Alright. Oh shit, I already died. Well, that's the first death. It's not gonna get much prettier. Where did he... I think he was over here, right? I break these. Oh man, this is gonna be annoying to watch me play. I can already... I apologize. It's like a house. Oh, we're on Tatooine? What is this?
You can interrupt help desk messages by pressing the triangle button. To disable help desk messages, please select options from the pause menu.
That is actually something. Thank you for... I want to see if I can get subtitles up in here. Oh! Yes, please. Right there on now? Okay, cool. That's great. Who is that? Alright, that's... Wait a minute. What is all this? Weapons? Huh. I'm wasting all my bombs, but kind of cool.
Gadgetron's OmniRamp 2000 includes a new comic strip feature. To activate it, use the R1 button to crouch, and then press the square button.
Oh, that's cool. That's very God of War 2018. That's a cool. I like that. That feels good.
That's nanotech. Whenever you sustain injury, your Gadgetron's patented nanotech system will heal your body from
Okay, so that's health. Let's go this way. Let's go over here. Gotta be something in these boxes, right? I like that wrench. That's a nice feel. I gotta guess that this is currency, and I'm gonna guess currency's always like, you need 8,000 billion things to do this. Is that a bad guy? Everything's a bad guy. Nice.
To use your bomb gun, press the circle button to equip it, and the circle button again to fire. And you can also use it in first person while holding down the L1 key.
Oh, look at that. Now I'm worried. Is this game going to become really hard at some point? And I'll get really frustrated. I mean, nothing can beat Crash Bandicoot in terms of frustration, right? I mean, that was pretty hard. Looks like a Lego. It's cute.
Interesting.
Guy!
You're quite handy with your wrench.
You bet. I built that ship with it.
Currently, I'm in search of someone who could be of assistance in saving the solar system. Do you know where I might find that fellow?
Well, he's on the radio every week. Other than that, no. Hey, what's with all this save the solar system stuff anyway?
Hello, citizens of... My race, the Blog, have a small problem. Our planet has become so polluted, overpopulated, and poisonous that we are no longer able to dwell here. But I, Chairman Drek, have a solution. We are constructing a pristine new world using the choicest planetary components available. So, what does this mean to you might ask? Using highly sophisticated technology, which you couldn't possibly understand, we will be extracting a large portion of your planet and adding it to our new one. Unfortunately, this change in mass will cause your planet to spin out of control and drift into the sun, where it will explode into a flaming ball of gas. But, of course, sacrifices must be made. Thank you for your cooperation. And if you don't like it, you can take your whiny, sniveling, snot-nosed populations, form a line behind me, and kiss my... We're still on? Well, turn it off, you idiot!
Okay, I didn't know this was a funny game.
The people on those planets are hosed. Well, good luck getting Captain Quark to help you.
Actually, you could help me. If you could use your ship to take me to the coordinates contained in this infobot, I might be able to gather further information there.
Even if I wanted to, I can't. I'm missing a crucial component of the ship.
The robotic ignition system.
How did you know that?
I, sir, happen to be equipped with the latest in robotic ignition systems. My programming allows me to start any ship I choose.
So, I agree to take you to this, wherever it is, and you get my ship started for me?
That is what I'm proposing.
Deal.
This could be a problem. Take care of it.
Whoa, this is great! So that's where I've been stuck this whole time.
Please return your appendages to the steering mechanism, sir.
Huh? Oh, right. Sorry. Oh, and by the way, you could stop calling me sir. The name's Ratchet.
Pleased to make your acquaintance, sir.
You got a name?
My serial number is V54296.
Oops. I'll just call you Clank for short. Hang on.
So you see, it would be most beneficial if your citizens were not in the city when my workers begin removing it.
Preposterous! I will not stand for this.
Unfortunately, you have no choice in the matter.
Let's just see what Captain Quark has to say about that, my good man. I don't see what's so funny. Captain Quark could dispatch you without even breaking a sweat, you puny...
You have now officially worn out your welcome and my patience.
This is your last chance. Stop this madness now!
Okay, wait. You're right. I will withdraw my troops.
Really?
No! He's all yours, gentlemen. Try not to leave any marks.
He sounds like the guy from Lilo and Stitch, that big alien bad guy.
Clank? Where are you? Oh, sorry about that. Well, we're not leaving the way we came in.
Perhaps we could procure a ship from one of the inhabitants.
If there are any left.
So is this the planet that the bad guy's taking right now? I didn't know this game had this much humor in it. I'm already like smiling, you know? Oh shit. And I'm wondering if this is gonna be like one of those each planet. I don't know. Oh, look at this. Wait. I was onto something here. Is this a secret? Because I kind of went the opposite way I feel like I was supposed to go. Am I supposed to go this way? Oh, jeez. That's not a hole? Oh, it looked like something I can go in. Alright. Under here, maybe? Yeah. I have no idea where the hell I'm even going. Like, now I'm worried. Am I even in the right place? Because this feels like it's leading somewhere instead of just being a secret. Like, I feel like I was supposed to get a quest from somebody outside, maybe?
I got some great bargains for you today.
I would like that. I'm close to getting that. Well, not that close. I need 1,000 more things here. Can this... Did I now create a shortcut? Or if I get off... I got no clue where the hell I am or what I'm supposed to do. I clearly missed something important. My health is starting to dwindle. That's nothing? Really? That looks like that could be something. Really? I can't... Oh, I need that. Come here. This thing, brother, I feel like, what the hell, did I miss something? Was I supposed to do something? Or am I supposed to be just exploring right now? I feel like I missed an important thing here. It gives me direction. Oh, here we go, here we go, here we go. It is helpful that this locks on the bombs, so that makes it a little easier. Alright, I gotta have to get that incinerator. But instead of going back, I'm gonna keep going this way, because I feel like this is where you're supposed to go. Also, the camera's kind of tough to... Oh, I didn't even see you. Jeez, hello. I'm not gonna lie, the camera's a little tough to... I don't know if it's because it's so slow, or maybe it's because it's opposite. Actually, can I fix that? Let me see if I could fix something real quick. Options. No, I don't see a gameplay option. It's alright. It's alright.
Don't hurt me. Don't hurt me. Oh, what are you? Mercenaries? Torturers? Assassins? I'll tell you anything. Here, take my infobot. It's all I've got left.
Sir, we're not assassins.
Hold on. Let's see what he's got.
Has this ever happened to you? Hi, I'm Captain Quark, and believe me, there's nothing worse than staring down a Blargian snagglebeast from the inside and knowing your equipment isn't functioning properly. That's why I come to Al's Robo Shack for all my electronic needs. Al has been the exclusive repair shop for my super electro gadgets since I was knee-high to a sand mouse. If Al can't fix it, it's not broke. Right, Al? You said it, pal. So if you're fighting crime, or just fighting grime, come to Al's RoboShack in Metropolis for all your robotic repairs. Al's RoboShack, it's Quarktastic!
Do you know what this means?
Yeah, Captain Quark is really sold out.
No, it means Captain Quark is on Metropolis. We could tell him about this invasion.
If we had a ship.
What? A ship? What? You're not going to torture me? Well, as planetary chairman, I could arrange for you to borrow our courier ship.
Cool.
You can count on us, sir.
Right. Thank you, your chairman shipliness.
Gadgetron infobots give you coordinates for new planets. You should press the select button to bring up the map and go to your ship. It's marked with a star.
Neat. Alright, we'll get to that ship and then we'll call it for an episode here. Oh, wait a minute. Can I just go... So when I started, did I just actually go the right way? Hold on, before going there, where's the vendor? You, sir!
I got some great bargains for you today.
Oh, nice. Why do I feel like I'm Rocket Raccoon here? Alright, boys and girls, we're going to end it here. On the next episode, we're going to make our way to Metropolis. So until then, let me know what you guys are thinking. And stay cool, stay frosty. Hasta la pasta, babies.